This here is your anterior spinothalamic tract carrying sensation of touch and pressure. Hello my dear students, I am Dr. Vaishali Bharambe, Professor Anatomy. Today we want to draw the transverse section of spinal cord and the tracts therein. The first part of it will have us drawing the shape of spinal cord, understanding what is the grey matter and where is the white matter. Start drawing your spinal cord. Draw the anterior median fissure, draw the central canal, posterior median septum. Now let's add the grey matter, the anterior grey horn, the posterior grey horn and the lateral grey horn. Some labels: this is the central canal, the grey matter and the white matter. Anterior median fissure, posterior median sulcus. Here is the posterior grey horn, the lateral grey horn and the anterior grey horn. This therefore is the posterior funiculus, the lateral funiculus and the anterior funiculus. We are going to draw the ventral root, the dorsal root and the dorsal root ganglion. Let's now begin to draw the dorsal root, the ventral root, the dorsal root ganglion and begin to label it. Dorsal root of spinal nerve, ventral root of spinal nerve, dorsal root ganglion, and here is your spinal nerve. Drawing and labeling the ascending tracts. You can see that I am dividing the dorsal column into two parts for the two parts of the dorsal column pathway. Now I am drawing the posterior spinocerebellar, the anterior spinocerebellar, and then there is a large tract of white matter extending from lateral to the anterior funiculus, which we now divide into three parts. Let's now color this. As we label, you will find yourself remembering this. So this is your fasciculus gracilis and this is your fasciculus cuneatus. This is posterior spinocerebellar. This is anterior spinocerebellar. Medial to the anterior spinocerebellar or deep to it lies your lateral spinothalamic tract. This here is your anterior spinothalamic tract carrying sensation of touch and pressure. And this is spinotectal tract. Draw and label the descending tracts. Draw two circles here. In front of it, the rubrospinal, and then in the anterior region, we have four tracts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's now color them and now let's label them. This is the lateral corticospinal tract. In front of it, the rubrospinal tract. Anteriorly, the anterior corticospinal tract. Anterior to that, the tectospinal tract, vestibulospinal tract, and the olivospinal tract. That completes our very simple draw and label of spinal cord and its tracts. If you like the video, do please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Thank you students. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.